Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Leigh. I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. If you want to join in the fun, the prompts are available from Meg's channel. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hi everyone, it's Leigh here. Thanks for joining me for day 12 of Junk Journal July. The prompt today is gratitude. This is one of those emotional prompts. Rather than being something that you put your hands on and actually stick on your page, it's more to do with how something makes you feel, what you're grateful for. Talking about gratitude, I want to say that I am so grateful to everyone who is leaving the lovely comments. They mean so much to me. I read them all every day. Sometimes I can't reply to them straight away. Just depends on what's happening at the time. But I really do appreciate them, and all the likes, even the dislikes, they help the algorithm. So when you do leave a comment or give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, the algorithm goes, hey, people are watching this video, let's show it to a few more. So it helps my videos to be discovered, because there are millions and millions of YouTube creators out there. So the fact that I have over 3,000 subscribers and so many views, it's unbelievable. I feel so lucky. And I am very grateful to each and every one of you. So thank you so much. When Junk Journal July is over, I'm going to do something to celebrate crossing that 3,000 mark. Keep watching. I'm probably going to give away a journal or something like that. We'll see. I haven't really worked out what I'm doing yet. Stay tuned for that. So hopefully that'll be something nice to look forward to for somebody, or maybe even a couple of people. So getting back to gratitude. So apart from being grateful for you wonderful people, I am grateful for simple things. I love plants and flowers. When I first started painting, I didn't realize how many different greens there were until I started actually painting trees and bushes and plants. So I was just totally amazed, and I was looking at everything in a completely different way. And flowers are just the most amazing things. The way they're made up, how they reproduce, the colours, the patterns, the shapes, they're just fantastic. So I really do love flowers. I'm not very good at growing them though, unless they're really hardy things like marigolds or something like that. That's what I'm going to make as my focal point for this particular page. So I'm just laying down a bit of stamped brown paper that's just a scrap, and a couple of other things, and then I'll put my focal image on. I've had a few comments about glues and pencils and things. I use two glues, art glitter glue and glue stick. When my paper is shiny or I'm sticking something onto a surface that has something else on it, like maybe gesso or ink, I will use the art glitter glue because I know it's going to stick and won't come off. If it's just paper to paper, I will use the glue stick. Now when you see me do that outlining with that black pencil and then get a paintbrush, just a damp paintbrush, and go around it, and you can see the pencil change, that is a Stabilo All pencil. So that's ALL, all. You can use that on any surface, glass, wood, tiles, paper. It will write on anything. My mum actually wrote on the little handlebar thing on her wheelie walker her name. So that, yeah, everyone knows that it's her scooter. So she's written that onto the rubber little hand grip thing, and it hasn't come off. I didn't think it would stay on there, but it has definitely not come off, and it hasn't smudged. So another thing that you will see me use frequently is what looks like white paint, but it's actually gesso. Gesso is like an undercoat. It's a surface preparation. You can paint gesso onto something and know that any other paint or ink, pen, whatever is going to work on top of it. Some of the qualities of gesso that make it attractive to me to use are the fact that it's semi-transparent. I can put some on and then smear it out with my finger and still see what's underneath, but if I want it to be covered, it will also do that as well. Just need to put a bit more on. It doesn't dry shiny either. Something else you might have seen me use from time to time is the distress crayon. I'm undecided whether I like that or not. I don't know. I think I prefer the inks, but I do use the crayons from time to time. Here's my finished page. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this come together. I hope to see you again on day 13. And in the meantime, I'll say happy crafting and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!